Hi guys, out at Eastville Park. Got some boomerangs to try out. There's a light breeze. I hope it's the right sort of breeze, not too much and not too little. The white one on the front there, night boomer, we've tried that before and that seems to work fine. The red one is supposed to be an indoor one with quite a tight turn on it. I think it probably makes a noise as well. And then the wooden one, that's another one of my charity shop finds. Well, they're all charity shop finds. Looks like ordinary plywood, but it does look like it's been shaped the right way. So we got a chance of it flying. So this is the night boomer. It cost me 99p in a charity shop. It does have a glow stick for going in the middle, but not worried about that today. We're not going to try it in the dark. Instructions: minimum, maximum, and throw it. If the wind's coming from us, we throw it that way. Yeah. Oh, failure. Oh, too high. We'll try this one now. This should be a much tighter turn, and I expect it to whistle because it's got these things on it. Wicked indoor foam boomer. That ain't foam, or at least it's not soft foam. I suppose we could take the label off. That's got a hole in the middle of it as well, so we could put the glow stick in it. Well, it certainly whistled. It does show it on the back here, the angle 45 degrees. Like that. But then we get too much climb. Now, as soon as it catches the wind, it's climbing. I can't imagine doing this indoors. Yeah, this one's given me too much exercise. Right then, this one, I can't believe I paid £2 for it, but that's what it says on there. It says Djidi Djidi, I think. Let's get the label off. That's not going to come off cleanly. Djidi Djidi, D-J-I-D-I, Djidi Djidi. Wind's coming from there, I reckon. So that way and about that angle. Well, that's a beauty. Whoa. I didn't expect that. Probably gave it a bit too much up. I'll try and keep it lower. Coming back to me. Oh yes, not going to catch it, am I? No. Wow, a good one. Well, that was worth £2. Finally, after all the boomerangs I bought in charity shops that have been absolute rubbish, just tourist tap, this one seems to work. Try it low again, that angle. Over my head, back to me. Right. Oh, just smacked myself in the face with it. Right, that's more like what it's supposed to do. Over my head, coming down. Got it. That'll do. Well away from my face, so no injury this time. Yeah, gotta say, that is a real surprise. Yeah, that one's a beauty. The other two, well, they're okay. That one goes fine. That's reliable, that one. That one is supposed to be indoor, and it makes a whistling noise, and I couldn't get a really good flight out of it. That one, absolutely fine.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.